ironic seeing Tracey Mallett at the bar. I'm here to make you look sexy, Tracey, because this whole thing is not sexy. This posture, this is not sexy.
You can help me be
Even
sexier?
I'm here to help you look sexy, that's right. Fortunately for you, I'm here to help you with a hip hinge intervention. Stand down. That's right. Bend your knees. I know you can do this. Hinge at your hips, Tracey, and stick your booty back. You're going to love this. Stick it back. Stick it back.
Wow.
I know,
my
right?
booty.
Are you hinging at your hips?
Rounder. Wow.
I want you to feel how long your spine is and how open your shoulders are. By hinging, you can open up your shoulders, right? All right, let's check this out. Sit back. Better. This is a little better.
Wow, I feel so good. And I'm at the bar.
See?
Who would have thought it? A hip hinge intervention really works.
See? Every daily living activity can be improved by the hip hinge, even